Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm gonna do the initial setup and give you my first impressions on this UMIDIGI F1 phone. But before I do that, check this out. Okay everyone, so you decided to pick up the F1. This is how the initial setup will go. I'm going to do the initial setup and give you my first impressions on this video. So let's get this going. I'm going to hit agree. I don't know why that popped up. So you hit start. It's going to ask you searching for the Wi-Fi. So you're going to have to pick your Wi-Fi in here. So let me do that really quick. Alright, so I was able to put my Wi-Fi in there. Let's set up the next part of this. It says copy. I'm not going to copy anything. Now you got to put in your password. Alright, so here's some more stuff that when you get the phone, I always hit accept. I probably should look at it. Alright, so I want to do the fingerprint scanner really quick. Let's do this. Yes, I'm okay. Upside down G is the only way to go. That's actually pretty quick. Oh, you want to go, don't go too fast. I'm going to add another one. It's actually pretty quick. What y'all think about it? I think it's actually fast. Alright, so hit next. That screen is bright, man. Alright, so it's Google. Alright, so it says you're done. I'm going to say no thanks. And bam, there you go. Look at that screen. So it is running Android 9.0. So I'm going to turn that down some with a 1080p screen. Look at that. Man, look what y'all think about the phone overall. Look at the look of that. Look at that red. But it has Android 9.0. It does have all the LTE bands, which we're going to test out right now. So let's see. Let's get this started. Actually, I'm going to have to download the test. So while I do that, I'll be back. Okay, so I was able to download the speed test app. Let me go ahead and show y'all the speeds I'm getting on LTE. I know it does have all the LTE bands. You can check that out on umidigi.com. But let me see what I'm getting in T-Mobile in my room at 5 o'clock. Almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So about 10, 9, 8. Hey, keep on going back up. Don't go down. 7. That's not too bad. It looks like I'm on 8. Almost 9. Almost 9 millibytes down. And about... So about almost 9 down and almost 12 up. Let's try to run that one more time. Let's see if we get any type of different results. It got a little bit worse. Alright, so that's the speeds I'm getting in my house from T-Mobile. Yes, I know it does have all the LTE bands. Like I said, go to umidigi.com. You can check out all the bands that it has. What I'm going to do now is pause the video, go use the phone for a little bit, come back and give you my first impressions. But until then, peace. Okay, everyone, so I'm back. As you can tell, I've been using the phone for about 5 hours now. I want to give you my first impressions on it. Some things I like, some things I don't like about it, just to get a discussion going. First thing I'm going to talk about is the overall build. This thing feels premium. I'm not going to lie. I love it. Feels really good in the hands. Pause, ladies. Better watch out for comments in that one now. But definitely it feels really good. The build on this thing, UMIDIGI definitely has a nice build. The next thing I want to talk about is that display for a 1080p screen. It looks really good. It was good in the daylight today. Watching YouTube videos does a good job. Overall, also the performance of this thing has been really good. No type of lag. It runs smooth. No type of closeouts yet. I know Forbes, I know what you're going to say. Forbes, you only had the phone for 5 hours. Give it some time. Stay tuned. I will have other videos coming up with that too. Overall, gaming on it. I did some gaming on it earlier. It did, I mean, again, the processor, performance-wise, it was really good. Couple things I want to get out the way really quick. One thing I noticed about it, and it kind of irks me, and I've been doing it a lot lately, and I wanted to show y'all. The power button is kind of low, and then also the space between the volume rockers is not much. So what I do when I go try to reach the phone, I'm always hitting the volume down and not the power button, which gets a little bit aggravating. I'm not gonna lie. They could have either moved this up, spaced it up some, or put the volume rockers on the other side, or even made this ridge, the power button ridge, so you can feel it. But I'm always hitting the volume down button. So yes, I know that's minor, but definitely something I want to point out. The other thing I want to point out too is the fingerprint scanner. It's not the fastest, and I did have some problems like registering it as far as getting it. It will lock sometimes. Like that, it missed. Look, it missed again. So if you don't have your finger exactly on here, it will not open. And you can, it will even tell you like up and down. Let's see. See how I told you it said down there? So when you work and when you hit it, it works perfectly. The nice thing I didn't mention earlier too, does have face unlock on here. So I'm gonna do that really quick too for y'all. So go to settings, security. Let's see how fast it is. I'm trying to move the phone close to my face. Alright, so you have options here too. Unlock the screen. Activate the screen in light and dark environments. I'm not going to have that on. Let's try this out on camera. Man, that was... Y'all seen that? I don't know how secure that is, but that was pretty fast. Like we say in Louisiana, that was fast. Yes, definitely. That was fast on there. So face unlock is definitely a great way of going if you're having problems with the fingerprint scanner like I've been having. I still have to test out the camera, so stay tuned to the channel for a full camera test. I'm actually going to put it against the new mobile G3 Plus. I already been having some questions about that, so I'm going to definitely compare them. I'm going to do a speaker test between the two phones too, because they're in the same price range right now. So I'm definitely going to test that out. Can't give you any updates with the battery. The battery seems like it works really good. Another thing I want to mention is at the end of the other video, I was talking about the speed. I went to another part of San Antonio and I was able to get like 35 download speeds and like 27 upload speeds. So definitely the LTE was working in a different spot. My home, this area around here is not the strongest, even with my flagship phones. Couple things I want to show you in the settings too is you have your navigation keys down here. You can actually go into a virtual mode. And it's actually pretty cool. It's almost like an Apple type of gestures on here. So you go to Smart Assistants. You can go to buttons up here. Maybe I should do a whole video. It's called Slippery Gestures. I don't know why they named it that, but they definitely do. You can pick one of these. Return. I like the one on the bottom because it's pretty much what I use now. But, so if I want to go to recent apps, I just swipe up. There's the recent apps. If I want to go home, just swipe in the middle. Say I'm in Google. And hey, subscribe to PewDiePie if you're not subscribed to PewDiePie yet. Or PewDiePie, however you pronounce his name. But if you want to go back, you just swipe from the left. You're back there. If you want to go back home, swipe in the middle. That's actually pretty cool. The other thing I know people always ask about is what is on storage. I'm using 20 gigs out of the 128. System was about 8.6 gigs. So not too bad. See how it was. Look, I'm trying to get used to the buttons. So I'm going to leave them on there for the purpose of trying to get used to it. But overall, the phone has been really performing really well for me. Stay tuned to the channel. I'm going to do the gaming, speaker tests, camera comparisons. I'm definitely going to put the phone through the paces. I'm going to do the test for you so that way you can make your decision if you want to pick up this phone. Again, it's only $219 on Amazon. The link will be in the description. If there's any type of video that you want to see, let me know in the comments. Let's get a discussion going. I can make any other type of video that y'all would like to see on this phone. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on this UMIDIGI F1 phone. I definitely will be testing it out. Please follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Also Facebook at Forza Tech Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.